Hello everyone, this is Rahul from Opus. Here we are going to solve this question which states make a badge for safe environment. So first we will try to create the basic shape of the badge which can be uh, circular, or we will draw it a little larger. You can give other shapes too, but here we are try to solve it with a spherical shape, and then we can add this ribbons. Inside that we can make another shape, then certain design on the edges. To make it look like a proper badge, like how it shall appear to be, and certain designs on the sides as we see in various designs, badge designs. Okay, and inside, suppose here uh, the map of the earth can be given to signify its presence inside this badge. And on the top you can write, or the letters can be evenly spread out. So as you see, this can represent a badge that can be used on the theme safe environment. So as you can understand that this is how you need to construct. You can add certain uh, designs on this side to make it look much more interesting. So that can actually help you solve this question. Now after you have this, then you can add certain colors which can add a little interesting effects on this sketch. So for this I can take blue color, suppose of this tone, like this. For the outside also this same color can be used. And then for the flowers you can add a bright color, suppose of this tone, which can give certain interesting effects. Same for the flower. For the earth you can use a lighter tone. Suppose you fill up the entire space in this way. And then add colors to the landmass. So finally fixing the outskirts. And then for the ribbon, a different color can be used, just as we see in various rhythms, uh, extension of the badges. So as you see, our badge based on the theme safe environment is ready, and this is how you can give a concept during the time of examination. I hope this demonstrations helps you in understanding how to solve questions like this. Thank you.